Check out this Gen 1 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. Very, very nice car. Very solid car. Check out the bottom side if you start looking at the still pictures on this. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. To me, it looks like original floor pans. Frame is in great shape. I've been around this car with a real light magnet, and there is not a bunch of filler in this car. It sticks pretty much all the way around the wheel wells, in front of the wheel wells, behind the wheel wells, bottom of the doors. So very, very solid car. I'd call it a very nice driver quality car. Paint's on it's decent. Shows well. Yeah, there's a few imperfections here and there. Dinger and nick, what have you. But very, very nice. Very nice driver. Does have a small block Chev underneath the hood, paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Bucket seats, of course. Black vinyl interior. Seats have been recovered. Vinyl's in nice shape. This had been with the same owner for many years. Was his baby. Unfortunately, he passed. The family has decided to move the car. It's just not getting driven, and it needs to be. Very, very nice car to take out and drive. So if you're interested in a Gen 1 Camaro, this is a solid one. Nice driver. You can check out those underside pictures, engine bay, interior, trunk, like I said, at Unique Classic Cars. Or feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. Got any questions on it? We'll go ahead and fire it up for you, show you the interior here a little bit. As you can see, door card's nice shape. Vinyl, rear seat. Headliner's all in good shape. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Got a nice little rumble to it. See how easy it starts? Nicely the door closes and fits. Come around to the back. Tough sounding small block, obviously it's been built a little bit. So give us a call, 507-386-1726. I'd like to inquire about this 67 Gen 1 Camaro.